Guys, did you see who it is and what is happening in the video? A child was depressed. The only thing is his parents told him to overcome his depression. That depressed child is me actually, and the person who was on that phone call with me was my father. His words were a line from a Bengali popular song. If no one responds to your call, then walk alone. This is the song I selected for our music telling story event. Let's tell you why I chose this song from many of my favorite songs. I come from a small village in Bangladesh. Both my parents work as tailors. They sacrificed their entire dreams for me. I am only child of them. However, I had 4 more siblings. My eldest brother passed away just after 20 days of his birth due to lack of proper medication and advanced treatment. My younger 3 siblings also left this world at the time of birth. I am now the last hope for my parents. Despite being born in a poor family in a remote village, I have received education, something not from everyone from such families can afford. But my parents did their best. Let me tell you 2 of my real life stories. On my first story, it was 2009. When I was only 6 years old. Nobody of my age used to take me in their games. I used to sit alone on a bench nearby the field and watch them playing. One day I came back to home with crying and reported to my father, "Dad, all of them are playing games, but no one takes me as a teammate." When he saw me crying on that day, he immediately went to the market and bought all of the equipment for sports for me instead of buying foods for our family. He hugged me and said, "If no one responds to your call, then walk alone." Okay, this was my first story. Let me tell you the second story. During the COVID pandemic situation, when Bangladesh was going through a crisis, I volunteered in various service-oriented tasks. For example, supplying oxygen cylinders, providing vaccines to ordinary people, and raising awareness through a campaign in every village. But there are always leaders in every society. Some people in our village started gossiping, saying that this boy is working with coronavirus patient, therefore he might cause harm to us. So they asked me to leave the village immediately, otherwise they will attack and hit me. Once again my parents remind me of that line of the song to continue my journey alone. At present, we the 3 members of our family are living in 3 different countries only because of me. When I feel lonely and depressed, my parents remind me of that line of the song to continue my journey alone. Yes, I am trying to walk alone in my journey with singing this song. শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে, তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে। যদি কেউ কথা না কয়, ওরে অত ভাগা কেউ কথা না কয়, যদি কেউ কথা না কয়, ওরে অত ভাগা কেউ কথা না কয়, যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায় সবাই করে ভয়, যদি সবাই
you everyone.